Hello friends, my name is Jagdish. Today in this video we learn CSS border property. In that, first property is border style. I am right here basic HTML code. In body tag I am right here in p tag paragraph. And here style for adding CSS. Okay. First property is border style. Border style property used to style the element. In that we can use number of values. I am right here border style dotted. Open browser. It set the style for top, left, bottom and right. If we want to set style only for top, then we can use property border top style. It set the style for only top. Similar way we can use bottom here I am write all property. This for top. Here I am write value dashed for bottom. Bottom will be dashed. Similar way we can write border left style. Again here I am write dotted value. Similar way for right style. Again dashed. In this way we can set style for element. Here border style contains value dotted, second is dashed, which is used in our program. After that there is solid. We can also use double, groove, gr double o here. After that ridge, inset, outset and hidden. These are the values of border style. Another property used in CSS border width, to set the width of border. Here I am write property border width, and it contains value, three values is here: thin, thick and medium. We can also pass the directly here, likewise 10 pixel. Likewise we can also define here value thin, also define here thick, likewise. In this way we can set the border width. Border width contain value thin, thick and medium, and also we can pass in pixel. Another property used in border color. Border color property used to set the color of border. Here I am write border color red. Border is set to red. After that another property is used in CSS border is border radius. Border radius property used to set the rounded border. Border radius, I am right here 30 pixel. Corner will be rounded. It set the radius for all corner. We can also use property here border top and left, border top and left radius set to 20 pixel. After that border top left, after that top right, (25 pixel). After that border bottom Now border bottom left and bottom right. Left is 20 pixel and border bottom right radius. I'm right here value 30 pixel. My mistake here, radius in this way set the radius of border. After that another property is border collapse. Fifth one, and it contain values separate, another is collapse. Also we can use initial and inherit. Border collapse property used to set the border of table cell and specifies whether the table cells shares the separate or common border. Simply here use border collapse separate. After that another property used in CSS border is border spacing. Border spacing property is used to set the distance between the borders of the adjacent cells in the table. Here simply use border spacing and pass the value 20 pixel. Twenty pixel is the vertical and horizontal spacing. We can also use here 30 pixel, another value. Now this 20 pixel is for horizontal spacing and 30 pixel for the vertical spacing. In this way we can use number of border property in CSS. Like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.